Which animal makes this sound? A cricket! Which animal uses camouflage to blend into its environment? A praying mantis changes color to blend into its environment. This is called camouflage. What kind of tree do pine cones come from? A maple tree, a pine tree, or an oak tree? Pine cones come from pine trees. What makes a pine cone family? Which tree do acorns come from? A maple tree, a pine tree, or an oak tree? Acorns come from oak trees. Can you guess which animal made this trap? A white-tailed deer. Which one of these animals are different from the others? The frog is the only amphibian that is different from the others. The others are all reptiles. They have scaly skin. The frog is smooth and slimy.